Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the mobile hotspot not working issue on Windows 11. First, open the Settings app and select Network and Internet. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings, then click Network Reset. Select Reset Now and confirm the action. This will reinstall your network adapters and reset your network settings to their default values. Once the reset is complete, restart your computer before testing the mobile hotspot again. If the problem continues, press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down until you find Windows Mobile Hotspot Service. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. If it is already running, click Restart, then apply the changes and close the window. Finally, restart the virtual network adapter. Press the Windows key, type View Network Connections, and open it. Look for the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter if it appears in the list. Right-click it and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. This refreshes the virtual adapter used by the mobile hotspot feature. After completing these steps, restart your computer and try turning on mobile hotspot again. Thanks for watching.